Alright, so I'll start another architectural template, and I will use the massing and site, in place mass, and call it mass 1. So I'll just show how to use a revolve tool in massing. I will choose a model line. Sorry, I need to choose the 3D view. So model line, and I'll just draw a vertical line. And then I'll draw here a half ellipse. And to create a form from this, I will press escape and then select both of the lines and go to solid form. So this creates a form, solid form by revolution, kind of ellipsoid. Next, I will exit, I will cancel the mass, so exit the massing. And because in this file I want to create some more levels, so I'll go to the elevation, any elevation will do, and I'll add levels at 3 meter height. So architecture level, offset 3000, and pick lines. So I'll pick this line and offset it by 3 meters up until I reach level 5, and then press escape twice to exit levels. Now I'm going to go to the level 0, so the base level, and I'm again going into massing and site, and choosing in place mass. Now I'm going to, in the model line with the rectangle, create a rectangle in level 0 of the dimension 16,000 by 9,000. I can do it just by adjusting, or I can just draw a rectangle and then make the dimensions to the correct ones. Okay, I think this one I managed to get correct, but if I didn't, I can always just click here and change it, and the same for the if I click on the horizontal line, I can adjust this. Now I will go to the 3D view, and here is my rectangle. And I can now select it and create form, solid form. Let's have the height to the top level, so 16,000. This building is 16 meters tall. So immediately I have created the form of this building. Now I can finish the mass, and now this is the mass which is completed, and I'll go to the architecture and select the mass, and then here there is an option to create mass floors at each level. So I'll click on that, and then by clicking on all these levels, I'll create floors. So this is useful if architects want to know what is the total floor area before doing any modeling. They can do it just by using conceptual form of the building. And we can now use this also to create some architectural elements. This is now done using architecture tools. So for example, wall. We can use wall by face because we have faces already created. We can use wall by face to add these walls. So let's say this basic external wall. So just by clicking on the face, the wall is added to it. I'll add this one as well, and then I'll modify it later to some to a curtain wall. So these were the walls. I can also add the floors. At the moment we have conceptual floors, but these are not physical ones, so I can add the physical floors by choosing now floor by face. And let's choose the concrete chorus 160 millimeter, and I'll select. It allows me to select multiple without holding control and just click on create floor. So these floors are now created, and I can also create maybe another floor by face, this time ground floor at the bottom. So select the bottom level and create floor. So all the floors are created. I can now do the roof. So architecture, roof. I can do roof by face and choose whichever roof I want to place. If I wanted flat roof, I can just select the face and create roof, and the flat roof is created. If I want a pitched roof, I would need to do it a bit differently. I would need to go to the basically to the level 5, and it's not showing the level 5 is not showing the walls, so I can change here the underlay to level 4, so it's showing me the walls, and then I can choose a roof by footprint, and let's choose pitched roof, and I can set the overhang maybe to 300 millimeters, and boundary line, choosing pick walls. I can pick these walls. Okay, and now the angle for this roof is 30. So if I create the roof, it ends up like this because of the very sharp angle. It doesn't seem to work. So I can, I think if I change it to 10, it may work. Let's try. Yeah, that's better. So so this is the roof, and so this is the building, and then I can modify. I can select the front wall and maybe change it to the curtain wall. Okay, not sure what has unjoined, but that's all right. So this I've showed you how you can use the masking model. You can add some other features. You can work on this to modify it. So using mass as a starting point, the creation of the model is kind of speeded up.